Hello and welcome. This morning, starting off in time. Uh, I've been working on these Facebook Candela built for SDG cohort 2 project, and I felt it's good that I share what I've done so far, the procedure I used in arriving at the final project. And I'm doing this for the community. The Facebook and Andela community have been very, very helpful to me in building my career in programming. And that is why whenever any of their programs come, I always want to participate and help the new programmers on how to go about their work. So quickly, I'm going to share my screen so that I can show you what I've done so far. Um, yeah, so I've been on this all through the weekend. I have plenty students to be teaching, so I had to take out this weekend to finish up this. And hopefully I'm gonna be hosting the project on Heroku or DigitalOcean this week. So I'm gonna run the demo quickly so that you can understand what is happening. So basically, this is what I have. The codes the codes are already on GitHub. You can check them out so that you can quickly download, use it. You can actually use it anyhow you want to use it. So I'm giving you the free, you can use them. So let me quickly explain what happened. This is the farm produce listing. This project is gonna be able to enable farmers to sell their produce easily. And how is it gonna be done? It's also gonna provide jobs for youths. Like plenty people in Nigeria after graduation, you don't have jobs. So what do? This app will help you achieve this. You simply know the farms around, know their produce. If it is a farm that produces cassava, rice, millet, or even it's a cattle ranch, you understand? You just get there, snap. Then you're working as a reseller. So when you snap the picture, you know the price of the goods. So this app will help you put it up on the app and get it across to people. People will see the picture of the produce, know how it is. As they are looking at it, they are seeing the address and everything. So they can contact you. And when they contact you, you should be able to either link up the farmer to the buyer or get your money there and get the produce transported to them. So it's an app that has so many applications, several things that could be so useful. It is built, the back end is on Django, the front end is on React JS, and the database is Postgres. So with this, you're going to learn a whole lot. So this is how it's going to be showing. You can see farm produce listing, and you can search by anything you want to search. You can search by whether it's plant produce or animal produce, the price, the quantity that you want, whether the produce is a fresh produce or old or about to perish. People want to know what they want to buy, whether it's about to perish, old, and that determines the price, the weight, the area, the day this was listed, because you need the day it was listed so that you check it out and know whether it's getting old. Because farm produce is very important, the freshness, then the picture that he has and the keywords and whether the product is available in stock. So you can search by any of these. So when you click on listing, when you click search, it produces specific thing. But when you click on listing, you see the whole of what you want. So this is all the listing, like this tomato, this yam, old yam, this cassava. So depending on what you want, and it has pagination, you can go to the next. So I can actually click on, say I want yam. So I click on view listing so that it should show, but it's gonna ask you to get logged in. So make sure you log in. So it has authentication. It has so many things. You see, I'm logged in because I already created an account. So when I get back to listing again and check out yam, I can now see my yam. You can see very boldly written. Then this is the reseller. This is the youth that has contacted the farmer and has snapped this and is trying to sell this. So you can see his phone number. You can easily call the reseller So this reseller will now, reseller like is selling from what he got from the farm. You understand? So this will provide job for youths. It will also enable farmers to sell off their produce in time. People want to buy some things, but they don't know how to go about it. So you as a middleman, as the reseller, you get to know where all these farms are, snap the pictures of their produce, list them on this farm produce listing, and get it out. In fact, this project, I intend to work more on it because I know it's going to be good. So you're going to have other pictures of the same product. So you should be able to snap like the database has up to 20 pictures of one product. So you can snap. I just only had 3 here. Okay. Then it has also about us page. So under this about us, you write stuffs about. Under this about us, you're going to see the top seller. So the reseller that is always selling, his picture is going to be featured here with his details so that people are going to know that this person is more genuine and they're going to buy more from. So you can see here, this is a portal for farm produce in Nigeria. This is actually a good portal. An idea like this could be sold so far and it could be very, very helpful. And that's why I chose to work on this very project. So meet our awesome team. Under this awesome team, you're going to see the picture of all the resellers so that you can contact them depending on what they want to sell. You can see they are all my pictures because I just used my pictures to just do this for the starting. Okay, so under here you can see contact us. So if you want to contact, if you want to register as a reseller, you can contact with your information. Then you could be registered as a reseller, and you can be working for these, working with these farm produce listing. Then you can also log out. So once I click on log out, you can see that this has changed. You now have login and sign on. So if you want to sign up, if you're a new person, you click on sign up, fill in your details. If you're already signed up, you can simply log in. So once you log in, that's when you can access some of the pages that are protected. Like when you get to listing and you want to see a particular listing. So if you want to get into something like this, you have to be signed, so authenticated. So this is a very good project. These are my VS Code. You can see that my farm produce is running from the Postgres database. I'm using Postgres database. You have to connect, make sure you're connected to the database. Then immediately after connecting, the next thing you must do is that make sure that you're running your server. So my server is running here. You can see I did Python manage.py.run server to run my server. Then here I did npm run start to run the what's it called? To run the React. So I ran the React here. So once you run, you can see this is my front end. The front end contains all the front end codes, and the back end contains all the back end code. You can see. I actually use Redux for the app level state management. Also use React hooks for the various apps. So what else? So you can check out this code on GitHub. Simply get to my GitHub. Let me show you my GitHub page. So you can download it, work on it, and try to see the way the codes are arranged so that you can implement some of those features in the work you're building. So this is my GitHub page. You can check out. Okay, you can check out Ostino. My GitHub name is github.com/Ostino the Don. This is the way Ostino the Don is written. AUSTAINODEDON. You can simply call my number so that I can help you out if you're having any problem. My phone number is +234 70671 62698. So you can see these are my contacts. You can check it out, check me out, and try using the project to build out what you want. Okay. So you can see this is the project. This is on React, and I used also for the formatting. I used SARS. So if you go to CRS, these are the various all the components that you can see physically immediately when you open the site. I put them under components. But the ones that you have to click on a link to get to, I put them under containers. Then I have these reducers and the actions are for my Redux state management, including the store. Then for the formatting, I use SARS. So SARS is very good for your CSS, makes your work look much better. So please check all these out, and I'm also going to put instructions on these, on how to go about this, the real coding instructions and the code snippets on my website. You can check out the website www.Tclassified.com. Once you get there, you should be able to see it. And you remember, we are a software development company in Tclassified.com. If you need a website, we can simply get you a website for as cheap as 30,000. As cheap as 30,000. I have plenty of students that I'm already training. They are hungry for jobs, and with just 30,000, we can fix up a website for you in very little time. In very little time, you can get the website done and fully working with good features. And okay. So lastly, for all our videos, you can simply get on our YouTube channel. I'm quickly going to open my YouTube channel now. I don't know why my website is not coming. Okay, but it should. Tclassified.com. You can get all the code snippets there. Okay. Then, if you want to follow up on all the on all my trainings, I just newly opened a new YouTube channel. You know, if you're following me, you would have known that I have Tclassified.com as my YouTube channel. There is this new YouTube channel that I newly opened that is strictly for programming. So the name of the channel is Austin Kenneth. You can see it here, Austin Kenneth. Okay, so get to the website. If you want to follow up, like this video I'm doing for this build for SDG, when you follow up, you're gonna see the whole video showing you step by step how I build out this the project and the online school that I'm working on. Most of my projects, you're gonna see them on this YouTube channel. So just log into your YouTube, type Austin Kenneth. You're gonna see it. It's a new channel. I just built it. If you click on playlist, you're gonna see most of the playlists that I've done. This is for online school that I'm just building. We just finished it today. If you're always following our class every day by 10 o'clock, you're gonna be seeing all these lectures. This machine learning. I'm training my students on machine learning, how to use Django, and this is the DevC project. So this is the playlist. In the first teaching that I did, I talked about doing the wireframing, hooking up to Heroku, hooking up to Netlify and other Codacy, and making up your wireframe before the project. So this is where this is the playlist that you can follow. This is one video now. So this one I just did now, I'm going to put it there. Then as I'm showing you the process, I'm going to be putting in on this. So get to Austin Kenneth, click on playlist. You're going to see all the playlists of the latest videos that I'm doing in software development. Majorly, I'm concentrating on Python, Django. I'm also working on machine learning and some little bit of JavaScript. If you check my old YouTube channel, Tclassified, you're going to see that I did most jobs there on JavaScript. Yeah, I'm going to be concentrating on both Python, JavaScript, and any other stack that could be very helpful to you. Okay, so this is the app for the built for SDT farm produce listing. You can see very, very interactive app. Several technologies used. The database is Postgres SQL. The codes are on GitHub. Check out my GitHub so that you can see it. My GitHub name is Ostaino Didon. So just go to github.com/Ostaino Didon. You're gonna see this work. If I'm built for SDG course, you can also check it on the org. You can see the project. The name of the project on the org is Farm Produce Listing. Team 882. Check it out. The front end, back end. I'm on them. So I'm gonna be hosting the site on Heroku and Netlify. So maybe possibly tomorrow I'll do that so that you can check them out. I'll put the link to get to them. You can see if you go to Build for ADT, you can check out Build for ADT Team 882 Farm Produce Listing Backend. So check it out. You're gonna see the whole project there. And when I get it hosted, I'm gonna share the link to the Heroku and the Netlify on the README section of the GitHub repo. Okay, so that is it for that. And I'm quickly doing this morning because throughout the weekend I was working on this project, and by 10 o'clock I'm supposed to have lectures with my students on building an online school using Django. So that's why I had to do this very early this morning. So this project is built using Django on the back end. The database is Postgres SQL. On the front end, I used React, and the CSS. I use the SAS, and okay, so that's about it. So if you need any support and concerns, please drop them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like the work, and you can always contact me if you need to talk. My phone number is 070-671-62698. Remember, everything you want is in Christ Jesus, and the easiest way to success is by being a born again. See you when I see you. Thank you. Love you. What's it called? Earpiece. Let me confirm before I
Yes,
stop.
sir.
Hey, thank you. So see you when I see you. Thank you. God bless you.